to introduce the character that I have chosen, Sagani, from El Filibusterismo. A poor law student, a poet, and a close friend of Basilio, I supported steps to establish an academy which an ordinary Filipino or Indio like me can learn a Spanish language. A nephew of Father Florentino and a sweetheart of Paulita Gomez, who are married to a mestizo, rich mestizo, named Juanito Pelaez.
Dichosa tú, que al perfumar el viento, tu aroma es su aliento.
In my time, nowadays, it is not an offense or a crime for a youth like me to express their guilt towards the priors, which represents the officials and the people of the modern times. In today's happenings, the one who speaks against all are treated as filibustero or anti-government that needs to suffer persecution and false accusation.
Cual tú y gozar.
I'm a Filipino youth who questions the priors that represents the parents, educators, and the government officials. Are they doing their responsibilities right? Or they are just being blinded by their own beliefs for the sake of their power and desire?
Ay de acalmar a este pecho que se agita.
Priors that represents the parents, educators, the government officials are the ones that are accountable for molding the ideal image of the youth in their minds and their bodies. It's their responsibility to nurture an intelligent, great, and a truthful nation. I believe that independence is a partner of a person. Also, the intellect and the justice. To have independence is to have a privilege to acquire a quality education, to fight injustices.